Hi guys, so welcome back. In this course we are going to learn how to do the 3D and 2D snapshots. So sometimes in Blender you have to take a photo. For example, you'd like to take a photo of this, a snapshot of this. You're going to go to tools and then you're going to go to 2D snapshot. From the 2D snapshot you're going to choose different colorways. That's one thing I forgot you guys to show you, but we'll do that later. So you're going to do different colorways, right? All grade, exclude hidden patterns, whatever it is that you're trying to export, you can export it from here. You can also export as a PNG, and you can accept like cutting lines, seam allowance, all of them to be in there, and then you can save your 2D snapshot. And yeah, so there is one thing that we did not cover, and that is colorways. So colorways is when you'd like to, for your avatar to have, your fabric to have different for your fabric to have different, which am I call it, patterns, sorry, for your garments to have different colors, you can always add colorways. So if I say plus here, and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to change the color of the dress. Let's say if I make it a red or a green, let's say, yeah. So once I make that color, and then I can have another color here and say let's change it. Over here you can change the color, and let me give it an orange, not that type, like something like that. And yeah, so now we have 3 different colors of the same fabric. So if I want to go ahead and export this one instead, I can always go back and click on it. So all of them are over here, and yeah, that's it. Let me go back to home. How do I close this? Okay. So now we have this one, right? In the next class I'm going to show you how you can do the grading.